This email said we have a flight to go to Paris.
Wow!
Both of us.
Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us.
Yes, because first they sent me a message telling I have applied to go to Paris, but no with Hannah. And then Hannah didn't receive anything, and then we check in the British embassy, and they say for the people they are not from the UK, for their flights they have to wait, and if there are free places they will go, and if they are not, they don't go. So we were a little bit nervous. What are we going to do? So we received an email from the German embassy telling we can go in the German flight, but we have to wait. So we could go to the airport and then maybe we go in the plane or maybe not. And after all the things,
And the British
on the British, they
just didn't say anything.
doesn't say anything, just that.
Maybe we can't go together, they don't know when the flights are going to be yet.
Yeah.
Nada.
Yeah, they don't say anything. And the flight for the British is going to be the next week. And then we received other email from the French embassy, and they say yes, we can go together. We can fly. We are in the list to fly. And this flight they are organizing by the EU. So we are happy. Tomorrow we go to pay the flight tickets. It's going to be for €50. And that's it. And now we have to see what is going to happen with the bicycle, because some people they told us we are not allowed to bring the bicycle. I don't know why, but let's see in the airport. It's going to be
Yeah.
yeah.
So fingers crossed, huh?
Yeah, finger crossed.
Yeah. Woohoo! So we've got to go to the French embassy, which is about 20 minutes walk from here, and we've got to fill out some paperwork and agree to pay retrospectively, show our passports. We're going to pay for one of the tickets, and we need to go to an ATM as well. And then hopefully we're allowed to get on the plane tomorrow.
Yes.
It's funny because when I breathe, the sunglasses they get wet. I don't know. Se empañan.
This piece of paper is my airline ticket.
Wow. So we paid.
And I have a receipt for paying cash for the last cash we had in rupees to get rid of that. So one ticket paid for.
One is going to pay before 1st of July. We paid. We're ready to go tomorrow.
So now we're going to go back to the hotel. We're going to put all the pannier and everything into the box and seal them and prepare everything for tomorrow. We have to leave tomorrow at maybe 4:45 in the morning to arrive for the bus.
Yeah, 5. The buses start at 5, from 5 to 7.
Merci la France et UE.
EU, European Union. And Spanish embassy, they were all the embassies together, working together to take all the EU citizens to get all together and fly.
Yeah.
So
And we're super happy because we can travel back together like this. So once again we are packing and trying to lay out everything on the bed because we need to figure out the weights for the bicycle box and fit some of the panniers and some of the contents into the box, and then the rest of it in our hand luggage that will come into the cabin with us. So trying to remember all the obvious things like putting knives and tools into the checked-in baggage. Yeah. Here are our bicycles in the spa.
Buenos dias. It's 4:30 in the morning, Saturday. We're going to the airport.
It's now 9 o'clock in the morning, so
We're supposed to leave 10 in the morning.
so hopefully it's on time, huh?
Yeah.
And the bicycle are on all the way, checked in all the way through to Paris.
Yeah.
And they are confirmed on our onward flight as well, so that's good. So
We go.
yeah, it's funny to be going now, huh?
Yeah, we didn't expect this, like anyone, because we've been speaking with with a lot of people, and all of them say, oh, they were planning to travel for a long time, and everybody has to go back.
And we thought we would wait because at the beginning we didn't have any concept of that, this would be such a big deal, and we would be stuck in this situation and with the borders closed for so long. So now, what to do? Huh?
Yeah, time to go back and just wait. Now it's not time to travel, so
Yeah,
we will travel when everything passes.
yeah. And we are lucky to be on this flight as well, thanks to the Spanish embassy and thanks to the French for taking us. And not thanks to the British, who haven't really done anything yet, as far as we can tell. Lots of British people are very unhappy.
We hope everything go well now in the flight, and the way to Paris, and then Paris we will do London, and then London to Hannah's village.
Yeah, we might have to cycle
Yeah.
100 miles.
100 miles? No.
Paris, and we have to now reopen the boxes because the weight limit for Air France is different to Qatar and the distribution is different. We're only allowed 23 kilos in the box, so we're going to take all the stuff out that isn't a bicycle. Terminal 5.
Terminal 5.
And then from there we can get a bus to Woking station. And then from the station we get on the train. How do you feel being back in Europe?
I feel okay. Something unexpected to come back by plane and with this old situation, but it's good. I'm happy to be back in Europe. And let's see when we can go to Spain.
Yeah.
Maybe in a month and a half, to see family and friends. Or let's see when we are able to see, because with the lockdown we can see family or friends or anywhere. So yeah. It's like to be in somewhere else.
Yeah.
It's different. The situation is very weird, no? Very. But what to do? Just wait.
Yeah. And this morning we had an email from the British Embassy in Kathmandu to tell us that they've organised flights for Wednesday and Friday, and they're charging £800 for British nationals, and I think that Juana would not have been able to travel back on one of those flights, so we would have had to stay in Kathmandu or be separated. So we're very, very grateful for the flight organised by the French and Spanish embassies, and the German flight as well that we were invited to potentially join. We paid €450 to fly back to Europe, to Paris yesterday,
And then 100, no?
and then 120 to come back from Paris to London. So
And to go to Malaga from Paris to London was €400. So
yeah, it was expensive.
it was expensive as well.
But anyway, thank you for organising that, French and Spanish embassies. We're very grateful.
To the EU.
To the EU. Thank you to the EU. And thank you to everyone who's helped us to get here, and thank you to Caroline and Ruth for putting us up and putting all these lovely things in the cabin for us.
Yeah, thank you. So if you like this video, like us,
Yeah. And subscribe, because we're going to be making many more videos of our adventures.
yeah,
Maybe not on bicycle for the next few weeks, but we will be back on bicycle
yeah,
very soon, as we can.
yeah.
So take care, everyone, and stay safe.
Bye and take care.
See you next time.
See you. Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto.